Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to summarize a YouTube video using AI. We will be creating a form like the one you see here where you can simply input a YouTube video URL and this form will provide a summarized output. If this sounds interesting or useful to you, then let's get started. For this video, we will be utilizing a tool called Taskade. If you're not familiar with it, Taskade is a task and project management application, but one that has tons of AI features, such as the ability to create a form just like the one in this video in less than 10 minutes. The team over at Taskade has done a great job releasing a lot of AI functionalities to the platform in the past few months, to the point where I don't personally even see this application as a task or project management app, but just as a very powerful and overall AI platform. If you're interested in learning more about it, I will leave a few useful links in the description. Also, if you want to just try this form out right away and summarize a video that you may have already, I will leave the link to my form in the description below so that you can go ahead and use it and see if you would like to build one yourself. So once you log in into Taskade, you can access Taskade either on your web browser or you can download the respective desktop application for Windows or Mac. And once you log in, you'll be greeted with your workspace. Here on the left side, you can create different folders that then you can throw projects into these folders. If you don't have one, then just go ahead and click on new folder and create any folder that you want. In this case, I'm gonna go into my testing folder. And once I'm here, I'm gonna go into my automations tab. So to create this form, we'll actually be creating an automation. So to do that, I'm gonna click here on the add automation button. Once I do that, I get a pop-up with different templates that I can use to build different automations within Taskade. But in this case, I want to start from scratch. So I'm going to click on Start from Scratch. Once I do this, I'm taken to the automation workspace, where here on the top left, I can rename this automation. So I'm going to rename it to YouTube Summarizer Tool. And then just click anywhere outside of it. So now my automation is saved. If I go back to my automations, I see here that I have a new automation created. But however, this is not on yet, as obviously it's not finished. So I'm gonna go back to it by clicking on the automation again. So once we're back in the automation workspace, then we can start building our automation. And the first trigger, or the trigger that is gonna start this automation, is gonna be our form trigger, because we wanna build a form. So in this case, the form title is going to be YouTube Summarizer Tool. Here I can add a description to the form if I need to, and then I can replace the text of the submit button, or what do I want it to say in order for this automation to start. So I'm going to say summarize, exclamation mark, and then I need to add some fields to my form to give the user the opportunity to copy and paste a YouTube video URL. So for this, I'm gonna add a long text field, and I'm gonna name it YouTube video URL. So once I do that, I can click on Save Changes, and you'll see here at the top that I now see a Use tab. If I go ahead and click on it, I see here that our form is starting to take shape. So now I have a title, I have a field, and if I wanted to, I could have added a description that would be here in the middle. And now I see the summarize button at the bottom. So next, let's configure what we want to happen after the user inputs a YouTube video URL. And the first thing that needs to happen is we need to transcribe the video, or turn the video into text. And for this, we have a command under media called transcribe YouTube video. So I'm gonna select that. You can see I have the action already on transcribe YouTube video. And where does the YouTube URL, or where is this going to come from? This is going to come from my form field. I see here my form and the YouTube video URL field. So this way, I'm telling Taskade that whatever URL the user inputs in this field, then that's what I need to transcribe into text. After I have the transcription of the video, I need to do one more step, and that is to ask the AI, or basically ask Taskade's AI, to please summarize this transcript and add a bullet point list with the most important highlights. Okay, now where is the transcript? I need to add it here. I can click the plus icon, and the transcript is going to come from the transcribe YouTube video action. So the content from this action, that's our transcript, and I'm asking the AI to please summarize this transcript and add a bullet point list with the most important highlights. So once we do that, our form is almost ready. Let me click on Save Changes again. What I need to configure the output. So basically, how do I want the form to provide this output for us? So here I'm going to click on Configure at the bottom. I'm going to click Add Output. The title is going to be the YouTube video URL, or if I wanted to, actually let's name it to Summary of Video. And the output is going to be the Ask AI Agent result, as this is the final summary of our transcript. That's what I want the output to be. Once again, I'm going to click on Save Changes, and let's go ahead and test this form. So I can go back here to the Use tab. I'm going to paste here a YouTube video, and let's click on Summarize and see what we get. Okay, so it's done. That only took a few seconds. And now I see here summary of video, which is our output title. And I see here that Tascades AI has provided a summary of this YouTube video. So there you have it. This was a very quick video just showing you how powerful this tool is, where you can create literally in less than 10 minutes a form to summarize YouTube videos. And obviously you can do a bunch of other things with their AI capabilities within this tool. So I do have a couple of videos on it in my channel, so I recommend you check those out if this is interesting to you, or check out their website if you want to learn more about it. Anyway, I hope this was useful to you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.